video is about expanding double brackets when brackets are next to each other. So the rule is you have to multiply everything in the right hand bracket to the left hand bracket. So everything in the right hand bracket is going to be multiplying with the left hand bracket. That's how you expand two brackets next to each other. So I have drawn some arrows just to make it more clear. So A is going to be multiplied with C. Everything in this bracket is going to be multiplied with the other thing on the other bracket. So A is multiplying with AC. I'm going to use the black marker that will be more prominent in the video. A times C. Now A is multiplying with D. Plus, now this is finished. Now B is going to be multiplying with everything with C and D. B, C plus B is going to C, D. So A is going to be multiplied with C and D, AC, plus A is going to be multiplied with D, AD, plus B is going to be multiplied with everything in the next bracket, BC plus BT. I will explain this by using an example. Okay. So I've got two brackets next to each other. So now first number will be multiplied with everything in the second bracket, and then the next number will be multiplied with the, so always sometime we got sign in front of the, now there's no sign, but there's a plus sign before 4, there's a plus sign before 3, but what is the sign between P and Q? Is always a plus sign. There's no sign, there's a plus sign, because signs get multiplied as well at the same time when the coefficients and variables are multiplied. So plus Q is going to be multiplied by P first, and the same is going to be 3. So first Q multiplied by P, that will be plus plus, plus we don't write the plus sign at the front. Then Q is multiplied by plus 3. So this example is completed now. So I'm going to explain it with again one more time. So Q plus 4 is next to the next bracket plus P plus 3. So we are going to multiply everything in from this bracket with everything in the second bracket. So Q plus 4. So Q is going to be multiplied with P and 3, and then 4 will be multiplied with P and 3. So first step, Q multiplied by P, PQ. Signs are multiplying as well, bear in your mind. So plus plus plus. Q is multiplied by plus 3. So 3 plus 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 3 times 1 is 1. Q times, so Q. So 3Q plus 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 4 times 1 is 4. So P is no coefficient here. So 4P plus 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 multiplying with plus. 4 times 3 is 12. So now we have to simplify. There are no like terms, so we just rearrange as alphabetical order. 4P plus 3Q plus PQ plus 12. We are going, so I'm going to give another example. So in this example, 2 is going to be multiplied by 4 plus x per whole square. But there's a bracket got a in this as well for square. So we can write 4 plus x, 4 plus x. So square means you can write this bracket 2 times next to each other. So same rule. I'm gonna forget about the 2 first. I'm gonna open these brackets. Write it down here. 4 times 4, and then 4 times x, and then x times 4, and then x times 4 times 4, 16. 4 times x is 4x. Now 4 finished. Now the next term, x plus 4 times x is 4x, plus, and then x times x. Previous video, when they are multiplied, when their bases are same, we add their powers, x squared. 1 plus 1, 2, so that will be. So we have opened this bracket, we have expanded this bracket by multiplying everything from one bracket to the other bracket. So we got 16 plus 4x plus x squared. The next step, we are going to collect the like terms. Look over if there are any like terms. Yes, 4x, they got exactly the same. Let us all collecting like terms. The rule was you have to look for the exactly the same letters. So x and x are same letters. So 16 plus 4x and 4x, I'm going to add them, 8x plus x squared. In the next step, you have to open this bracket. So how can you open this bracket? You are going to multiply this number with everything inside the bracket. So 16 times 2, that's the last step, 32, plus 8 times 2, 16, and coefficient, plus 2, x squared. And we can rearrange this equation. 2x squared plus 16x plus 32. That's the final answer. What we have done in this question, 4 plus x, don't get confused, it's a square. So it means we can write them next to each other. This is the easiest way to expand the bracket. Multiply everything within the right hand bracket with everything in the left hand bracket. So we did 4 times 4, 16, plus 4x, plus 4x again, plus, and x squared. And then in the final step, we have to multiply with the number outside, because we got another bracket. We have to expand all the bracket to simplify the equation. So 2 times 16, 32, plus, there's no sign, there's a plus sign, signs are multiplying at the same time, plus, 8 times 2 is 16, plus 2 times 1 is 2, x squared we have rearranged by the coefficients of x, so 2x squared plus 16x plus 32, here you go, that's your final answer. That's the way how you will solve this question. You can write it down this question.